Now, I'm not sure if they ever had Lobos at our next stop, but they certainly don't anymore. And it's time to take a little hike through the creepiest zoo in Texas. So in the 1920s, when Cisco was a much busier town, some ambitious townspeople decided to build a zoo just below the dam of the newly formed Lake Cisco. It was built as part of a resort that also included a huge man-made pool. Now, this was all abandoned by the 1930s, but very recently, they decided to clear the trails and turn it into an outdoor nature park. If you come out here, you get to hike the old footpaths of the zoo and even look at the cages, which are right up here. This is creepy. In its heyday, the zoo held a strange menagerie of animals: a deer, a bear, even flamingos, and a monkey. And keep in mind, this is before the days of the internet and television. You couldn't just Google what does a monkey look like and then watch endless videos of monkeys. And so a zoo like this, even though it was small, would have been mind-blowing. The trails twist and turn, each former cage marked by bits of crumbling stone or rusted iron. The zoo was eventually closed after a string of mysterious deaths to a deer and a bear. It's not hard to imagine their angry animal ghosts still lingering around. Whoa, Daniel, what was that?
I don't know.
I swear I just heard animals in the trees. It's getting a little creepy, huh?
What? What was that?
I don't know. It sounds like it's all around us.
Oh, gosh. What in the world? Go, go, go!
I think I'm gonna go get a beer. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.